Hi everyone, this is Katie with DK Designs. Today I'm participating in a monthly YouTube collab group, and the theme for the month of November is Cozy Vibes. And so we're doing a loop. So everyone in the loop is going to show their Cozy Vibes planner sticker spread. I would love for you to check out the next video in our loop, and I have it linked in the description below. Her name is Gail, and she's from @the_planning_girl on Instagram. So the link below will take you to her collab loop. And then if you end up back at my YouTube video, you've completed the loop, and we appreciate you and thank you so much for watching. This is a super fun thing that we're doing. I'm excited to see everyone else's videos. So since the theme is Cozy Vibes, I wanted to use a sticker kit that we have that makes me feel cozy. And it's a newer kit that we have too. So if you like the sticker kit, I also linked the sticker kit in our description below for our shop. So first I'm going to show you the kit, and then I'm going to show you the spread that I did with it. So the kit that I chose to do is called Dreams, and it's very cozy. It's basically like centered around cozy dreams and believing your dreams and achieving them. And the cool blue tones of this kit just like is so relaxing to like the eye, I feel like. And then the silver hollow foil that's on here just like pops and just makes it even more dreamy. So I'm just going to show you really quick like the sheets, and then I'll show you what I did with them. So we have our full boxes, our washi, and Monday through Sunday. We have some boxes, some more washi, our deco page, our functional page, some more boxes and date dots, and then we have our glitter headers and headers. So the planner that I use is the Hobonichi Cousin. And I feel like that just works best with me, with how I plan. So I actually started already, I chose to do the last week of November that leads into December. And I feel like this kit really kind of like lends to that with the cool tones. And I'm just going to flip and kind of show you. Okay, so I already kind of started to write in my planner for Monday, and so I did put a sticky note right here because it has like someone's personal info on there. And I'm playing with different types of pens and markers and stuff like that to use in my spreads, so my handwriting is kind of all over the place. But so I really like how I did this spread because I tried something different, and I'll show you on the next page. But here's the first page. I really like when I have leftover washi from my kit to kind of use it as like a layering piece. So I did that up there, and I'm in love with the stack of books because I'm an avid reader, and books and reading just translate to like cozy vibes for me. So here's the next page, and this is before the pen because I haven't written in there yet. So I have it sectioned off, like I have this work area here, and then my to-do that's separate from that. And then Wednesday I have like a blank functional box for whatever I want to write in that for the day. And same with this, it's kind of like a scalloped functional box. And I just love the foil that's on the washi. It like reminds me of stars in the night sky. It's so pretty. And then for Thursday is where I kind of played around, because usually I'll just take the washi strip and put it fully at the bottom. But for this page, I decided to actually cut the washi not in half, but like to the length of the words that I wanted to cover up here. And then I took the remainder and put it on top kind of as like a framing piece for this page. So I'm super excited about that. And we have this flag down here that has the books in there because I figured on Thursday I'm probably going to be reflecting a bit on the book that I've been reading. I've been reading the Throne of Glass book by Sarah J. Maas. I'm on book 3, I think, Air of Fire, because I'm wanting to reread all of her series in preparation for the 3rd book in the Crescent City series that she has. And I'm really far behind, so I'm trying to get through them, but I love it. I haven't read the Throne of Glass series in like years, so it's crazy to see how everything kind of comes together. But anyways, so very cozy. And then we have this like little lantern, this little lamp right here. I love it. And it looks like it's like on top of some blankets. And then we're jumping into the beginning of December. So we have Friday and Saturday. I kind of did the same thing with the washi down here where I cut part of it and kind of stacked them. And then look how cozy those pajamas look. Like, I'm a sucker for really fuzzy and cozy slippers. Like, every year I have to buy more fuzzy socks because I wear them all the time in December because my feet get cold really quickly. So that's just super cozy. And then Saturday, I actually did a double box on Saturday, and I put our weekend banner above it, and it's just like 2 sticker boxes of like a really cozy looking bed. Because Saturdays are usually my like chill days compared to the rest of the week. And so I wanted to put the double boxes on Saturday. And then Sunday, I did those stacking again. And then look how cute and fuzzy that teddy bear looks. I love it. And here's another pillow and blankets with some flowers around that. And as you can see, like, I sprinkled some of our deco on these days as well. So this is my spread for the monthly YouTube collab group. And the theme for November is cozy vibes, and that's the vibe that I am planning on having for this week because Black Friday was just crazy. So I'm gonna take this week to recharge and get orders out and kind of like recalibrate, I guess. Let me know what you think of the spread that I did with our sticker kit, Dreams. I have the link to the sticker kit below. Make sure to click on the link below for the next person that's in the collab group. Her name is Gail. And you'll just keep going through the loop and looking in people's descriptions. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you have fun on this loop. If you're into planning and stickers and looking at different spreads and getting inspiration, make sure to subscribe to our channel because I'm really working on doing more plan with me's. That's like my goal for this upcoming year. And also we like show our unboxings for our subscriptions and stuff like that. So make sure to subscribe and make sure to click the link below to go to Gail's video next. Thank you all again for stopping by. We appreciate you, and I'll see you all again next time. Bye.